Welcome, my friends, to this terrific Thursday. We are having nothing but a good time in the marketplace. I have Tesla up at the moment. We're just going to get right into it. I know everybody likes Tesla, so let's just look at Tesla just for a moment to satisfy all of my electric people out there, okay? Yes, our game plan is still in play. It's not doing anything. It's still there. Look at it. We're at 266, all right? We've done nothing since our last Tesla video where we were talking about buying in this region of the belief to revisit that 310 solely because the damage has already been done, okay? It already had a 50% correction. I'm happy with that. You're happy with that. And look, we're starting to show some bullish signs here on the daily of these, big green push-up orders, okay? So it's kind of giving us a sign that our quote-unquote round-trip maneuver is in play, okay? And we're not looking to get all-time highs out of Tesla. I've said that before. I'm looking to hold the $200 range and exit at the $300 range. It's that simple to me. Tesla is an easy play. We've been watching it like a hawk. We saved ourselves from this disastrous drop that happened earlier in the year because we were watching it and we didn't panic sell. We bought down here in the lows of 230s and now we're just holding. We're happy campers. So that's our Tesla. Get that out of the way. Oh yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And, oh yeah, I have a Discord group, so let's get that out of the way. Feel free to join in. I'll put a link in the description. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the like buttons, all the subscriptions that came in. We are up to a whopping 19 subscribers. Thank you, Almighty. That is amazing. You might not think it is, but I think it is. I think it's amazing, and I'm appreciative of every subscription that I get. Thank you, my friends, because I'm sharing all of my journey with you online, as I have been for 2 years now. I've been trading for 4 years, but I've had this channel for, I think, 2 years, and I've been posting my journey online. So, we got that Tesla out of the way. I have a story for you, my friends. A story for you. All right, this is a good story. Excuse me. Allergies are getting me a little bit. ALCOA. Okay. I did a free macro point of view deep dive into ALCOA video. A lot higher quality than this kind of vid content I'm putting out. It's several months ago, 5-6 months ago. Maybe longer than that. Well, you can see right there, it's about the time I was talking about it. So, ALCOA, very zoomed out here. All I was discussing was way back here, okay, in the $30 range. I just said, look, we're at the low end of a range. I see a lot of good news on ALCOA back then, I'm looking to start buying ALCOA. It's part of my portfolio now. And I have an average buy of 33. Okay, so I'm a little bit under right now. It's not that big of a deal because my idea for ALCOA is much long-term than short-term. Okay. This little bitty consolidation going on here, up and down, it makes no never mind to me. This is just buying and selling going on right here. It's nothing to me. It's consolidation. It's a tight range, and I'm happy to buy more in this area. I'm even happy to buy down lower, okay? What's going on with ALCOA, and the reason I bring it up today is it's still the same idea for me personally that I've had for months now, okay? Nothing's changed with my ALCOA investment. The only thing that's changed is a hilarious news story that I saw yesterday come across my feed. Now check this out. Look at the weekly, okay? We have a little... Now keep in mind, zoomed out, this is all just part of that consolidation. Okay, and we've been going down. Okay, now look at the news story yesterday. Today, it went down a little bit. Yesterday, look what happened. You had this green candle right here yesterday. Okay, now why do I bring that up about that green candle yesterday? The news story that came across my feed was the one and only, oh so famous Jim Cramer on TV. Jim Cramer was talking about ALCOA stock yesterday on TV. Okay, hilarious enough, right? We've been talking about ALCOA for months. So he brought it up yesterday. He said ALCOA's trash. It's got a lot of issues in the company. You know, they're doing this, they're doing that. Look, everyone has their own perspective, but I'm just telling you from my point of view, poor Jim Cramer, he's like a counter signal in my book. If he says buy, I'm selling it that moment. If he says sell, I'm buying it that moment. Yesterday, we have this nice green candle, and what was he telling you? Sell. ALCOA's garbage. Sell it, sell it, sell it. It's garbage. Okay, today, it's down. So he's right today. It was a good idea to go ahead and sell it yesterday. But why is he on TV telling you to sell something when you zoom out on it? You're down here in the depths. You're on the lows, okay? We've been in the lows. So why is the TV telling you to sell down here at the low? Somebody explain that to me, okay? Because I'm not seeing the benefit to selling something down here at the lows. These are the times, if you zoom out, you see there's opportunity here. Zoom out even more at the quarterly, okay? You can tell that we are in way on the lows, okay? You had a high of 141. You had a low of $5. That's a big range, okay? But not too long ago, a few years ago, we got up to $95 a share. So you recovered most of that range right there. So being that that played out, using that as an indication of past performance generally indicates future ideas, okay, and using the power of projection, right now our range is $94.90 and a low of $5. There's no reason why we can't come and correct some of that drawdown right here. Where's that about? $60. If I'm buying at an average of 30 and I sell ALCOA at 60 2 years from now, who's going to be laughing then? Jim Cramer, okay? I'm telling you, time after time after time, I see these ideas playing out over and over and over again. So that's why I get onto these kind of setups. I use the TV, the news, as not as my do or die, this is how it's going to be, that's it. But it just gives me more conviction in my ideas. I've been bullish on ALCOA for months now. And then yesterday I get a news story of the oh so coveted Jim Cramer saying, sell that stock, it's garbage, on TV. All Jim Cramer did yesterday was just give me a confirmation of I'm going to hold my position. and I'm going to see a return sooner than later. So thank you, Jim Cramer, for backing up my trading idea. I appreciate it. One more thing I was going to touch up on here. We're in a tunnel right now, so not sure if we're going to get decent connection. Oh yeah, we wanted to look up. I remember now. We have some move in ARM today. So if we can get some service here, come on. We can talk about ARM today. ARM, we played ARM like perfect last year. We had a couple great setups, and one of them, I really thought, our second one, I was convinced that it wouldn't play out. You know, it was looking kind of weak, that trend line, and it still ended up holding. I couldn't believe it. So here we are, ARM, looking at it on the weekly. Nice little zoomed out perspective here. The last time we were talking about it, we were talking about how it could be holding this triangular pattern here, and we were looking for it to at least come up, not make new highs, but at least come up and test the top of our quote-unquote triangular pattern. And today it dipped just below $100. So being that it dipped just below $100, that's like a round number. So you see how it just kind of slightly dipped down, and all it did today was nothing impressive. You have this consolidation here, okay, that's been happening for the past week and a half. All it did was just put everybody who bought in the past week and a half underwater just ever so slightly to get them convinced that, oh, okay, I was wrong. My trading idea is wrong. Let me go ahead and get out of this position. This is actually a play, a technical analyst play right here. True and true. I'm showing it to you right now. You can, this is called a liquidity grab play. Okay. What's a liquidity grab play? A liquidity grab play is when you have an area of consolidation, okay? And then you have a move out to grab liquidity. So right now, the past 2 days, we've grabbed all the long traders, all the buyers' liquidity. They're upside down now. What's going to finish this play is if price fakes you out and goes up the other way. That is a classic liquidity grab play because it fakes everybody out. It convinces everybody it broke out of this consolidation to the downside, so it convinces everybody that's going down lower. Next thing you know, it goes up above and it fakes everybody out. And now everybody's buying, trying to chase the pump to the upside. Okay? Why is it looking like that to me? How can I tell? If I zoom in even more, okay, it's getting aggressive here. Why do I say that? It's not smooth movements. It's down here, and then right now, all of a sudden, it's up, down, real quick. It's being aggressive. It's not being smooth. So it's really getting angry on the buyers right now. So we had a low of 98.90 today. I'll be honest with you, that would not surprise me one bit if that was our low for the next 2 months. Really. I mean, today, there's nothing wrong. If you're dollar cost averaging on ARM, today's a beautiful day to take a buy on ARM. Just under $100. Beautiful dollar cost average play. Just another thing. I'll get off here, but here's another thing. Personally, if I'm dollar cost averaging into a position, okay, I'm looking to buy on red days. So we were having a couple of red days. This is opportunity to buy, okay? Provided we hold, especially down here at 86, if we hold that 86 area, I'm of the belief that this quote-unquote triangular pattern is holding. 86 is like, I guess you could say that to me right now, that would be my uncle moment. That would be when I just say, okay, you know what? I'm going to get out here. I don't know what's going on. My idea is wrong. That's okay. It's okay to be wrong. It's difficult to be perfect in the market. Stop trying to be perfect in the market. Okay? I've scalped for the majority of my trading career. And when you're scalping, you're truly aiming for perfection. When you aim for perfection in a marketplace that is forever changing and is unperfect, it's sloppy. You have to just understand that the market is sloppy. And when you give yourself a little bit broader ideas, you tend to see them play out much more than your accurate buy at 101.77. It ain't going to go below 101.66, and I'm going to get out at 105.33. Okay? You are really honing in on that, telling the market, I expect you to do this right now, exactly like this, to a T. Okay, that is a scalping maneuver right there. You have to be prepared to be proved wrong on scalping over and over again. But on a broad, zoomed out idea, you can have a bigger plan and the ability to handle price being choppy. Today is a beautiful day. If you are of the belief, or if you have a trading plan in ARM of it going higher, to get a dollar cost average position in today. If you bought at 140, if you bought $1,000 at 140, and then you buy another $1,000 today at $100 a share, okay, you've spent $2,000 on ARM. But you know what your average price is? It's not 140, it's not 100, it's 120. You've brought down your average buy. So price doesn't have to go to 140 for you to be in profit. Price can simply go up to 120 now and you'll be in profit. That's the beauty of dollar cost averaging in things. Personally, 150, 155 is looking beautiful to me. And that's not even getting up to the top of our triangular pattern. It's not even making a new high. It's just cooling off all this selling that's been going on for the past 6-7 weeks, okay? Price is price. Stop worrying so much about the news. Stop worrying so much about what everybody on Twitter's saying. Stop worrying about all that, okay? Focus in on the chart a little bit more. It will lead you less astray than other sources of information. That's my honest opinion and why I focus 98% of my style on the price of the thing alone, because the price, it doesn't lie to you, my friends. The news will lie. Oh, Jim Cramer will lie his teeth off if he's getting paid to. Anybody will. Gurus will lie to you. Everybody will lie to you. Lying is just part of the game in this industry, and it's unfortunate. And that's why people don't want to learn to trade for themselves, because there's so much lies out there. But in my 4 years, the one thing I found that doesn't lie is the price. I get on Webull today, the price of ARM is $100.12 a share right now. If I spend $100.24 right now, I'm buying 1 share of ARM. The price doesn't lie. So think more on the price of things before you go to buy it. When you go to buy a car, the first thing in your mind is the price. Honestly. It's not, oh, what color is it? Oh, how does it handle? You know, I mean, maybe it is. For me, it's the price. If I'm looking at a 2024 Honda Civic, or I'm looking at a 2024 Buick, okay, Enclave, let's say, I'm looking at the price. First thing comes up, price. Well, this car is $32,000. This car is $38,000. Okay. Okay. Well, you know, that one's $6,000 more, but I'm gonna like it more because it can offer me this, and this. So really, it has more value. Okay, but that is after the fact. The first thing is the price. So bless me on my allergies today, my friends. I apologize. Hopefully I start feeling better tomorrow. Please like and subscribe. Join the Discord. I haven't posted anything for a couple days in there. I've been busy doing some housework. I plan to be back on it end of this week, getting some new information out there. I love everybody, and I hope everybody has a great day. Peace.